What if I told you it only took 1 minute to align with the vibration of miracles? When you get your consciousness and your mind on the vibration of miracles, you can create what you want quicker and faster than you ever thought possible. And in this video, I'm gonna give you a quick 1 minute thing to say that will align you with the universe to attract anything that you want. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and let's dive right into the video. So, there's one source of all things in this world. There's one originating energy, consciousness, vibration that creates and manifests itself as all the things in our world. And what happens is we develop our mindset, our ego. Wayne Dyer calls it ego, edging God out. It edges out the perfection of the universe. And we forget that everything is perfect. And then we start to say, well, I don't have the money that I want. Look, do you see my bank account? What do you mean everything's perfect? I mean, have you seen how much of an asshole my boss is? I've got to commute and there's construction going on and this thing's happening and this, and you don't understand. It's not perfect. Thank you, God, for all of this. Thank you, universe, for all of this. Whatever word you want to use, Alan Watts says you can't get wet by the word water. It's not the word, it's not the label. That's just a figure of speech that we use in order to get the unexplainable explained. Say God, say universe, say spirit, say love, say nature, whatever you want, but say this. Thank you, God, for all of this. Today you might be worried, this week you might be stressed. You think of something in your life that you think might not be perfect, might not be working out. Allow yourself to relax and think of this. Thank God for all of this. Comment that down below. Say whatever word you want to use. Thank you, universe, for all of this. All of this, all of this, where you are at right now with whatever health problem you might have, or financial issue, or challenge in a relationship, or trouble at your job, or a sense of not having a true vision and purpose. Thank you for all of this where we are right now, because we understand that we're spiritual beings in a physical body. You're a spiritual being, you're a soul using your physical body. Why? In order to grow, in order to expand. And so your challenges are simply here to help you grow your level of consciousness to a new level where you can realize yourself as the creator of your life. So your health problem, your financial problem, it's all there to help you grow, to help you learn. And when you say, thank you, universe, for all of this, you immediately stop fighting. Every time we argue with reality, we create resistance. Every time that we say, instead of thank you for where I'm at financially, even though it's not where I want it to be, thank you for that. Every time I do that, I give myself the opportunity to change it. I'm no longer resisting it. I'm no longer arguing it and blaming it and getting mad at it. I'm like, cool, this is the way it is, and I have the ability to change it. I have the ability to create something better, create something different, create something more amazing. And I can only do that when I get in harmony, when I connect to the universe, God, the source of all things, when I get my consciousness aligned with the real infinite possibilities in life, instead of arguing and resisting the possibilities that I don't want anymore. Thank you, God, for all of this. So throughout your day today, use that. Thank you, universe, for all of this. While you're sitting in traffic, while you're showering in the morning and maybe the hot water's not working today, while you're paying your bills, while you're having whatever it is that you're experiencing. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for all of this. And see how good you feel. You immediately connect to that higher power, that higher order. See, most people walk through life trying to use their mind just as this little ego to say, there's this problem and there's this problem. And we forget that we're actually a spiritual being in a physical body. And when you remember you're a spiritual being in a physical body, you tap into the universe, you tap into infinite energy. So you become bigger than your problems. Most people go to God and they say, look at this stupid problem. Look at universe. Look at this dumb problem I'm having. This is so difficult. Well, instead, what I invite you to do is to go to your challenges and say, I'm an infinite being. I'm connected to that highest power, the source of all things. And when you go to it and you say, thank you, universe, for all of this, you actually connect to the source of all things, to that consciousness that can mold, shape, and change the world however you want. Steve Jobs says, when you realize the world was built by people no smarter than you, you can mold it, shape it, and change it however you want. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for all of this. I recognize there's a purpose in this challenge, in this situation, in this day right now, and I am going to focus on the beauty and the good rather than all the things that are wrong with it. And when we do that, we're a walking magnet to happiness, to joy, and to total spiritual freedom, because we're not confined to the problems, the challenges, and the density of this physical world. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. Be sure that you download my free success hypnosis down below, jakeshypnosis.com. Hit the subscribe button, comment down below. Thank you, universe, for all of this. Send that positivity out into the world today. Make somebody smile. Have a beautiful day. See you on the next video.